Hey there friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Yaz, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a couple of super cute and very beginner friendly do-it-yourself home decor projects. I got all of my supplies from the dollar store, so not only are these projects super cute, but they're also very affordable to make. And with just 2 supplies per project, even the most beginner crafter and decorator can easily transform their space with these super cute projects. Get ready to tap into your creative side and elevate your home decor with these simple yet stylish projects. I can't wait to share them with you. All of the supplies you need are listed in the description. Grab your supplies and let's get to crafting, friends. First up, we have this boho tray that I made using a pizza pan and nautical ropes and of course some hot glue. You're going to want to start out by putting a dab of hot glue in the middle of your tray, and you're going to want to glue your nautical rope down, and as you are gluing, you're going to want to turn your rope. So you're going to put it down a little bit of glue and just set that rope down in a circular motion. And you just want to repeat that step until your entire tray is covered with the rope, and you'll be left with something cute like this. Next, we have this super cute vase project, and it's perfect for any of those old vases you may have lying around that you just want to kind of revamp. They do, of course, have plenty of glass vases at the dollar store, as well as this twine. So you're just going to want to basically glue that twine starting at the top of your base. And repeat that step until you're happy with how it looks. Once you're done, you just got to cut that twine and glue down the end so you don't have to worry about it coming up on you. And like I said, it's perfect for any old vase you have laying around that you just kind of want to revamp. And look, I have a brand new vase. It's so cute. And for our final project, we have this little tray that I made using a bamboo wood cutting board and 4 little wooden cube squares. It's super easy. You just want to line up your squares, make sure they're all the same height, and then you simply glue them to the back of your tray, 1 on each corner. If you wanted to be exact, of course, you could measure to make sure that you're placing each wooden square in the same spot, but I just eyeballed it and it worked out fine for me. And there you have it, a cute little wooden tray to decorate with. And there you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed these do-it-yourself home decor projects as much as I did. It's really amazing how just a couple of supplies from the dollar store and a little creativity can really help you add that personal touch to your space. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out the other do-it-yourself project videos I have shared. And of course, please subscribe for more do-it-yourself content. Until next time, bye friends, happy decorating!